Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to assemble Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Assemble SIM tray. Assemble all speakers and fix them. Fix and align coaxial cable on the sub-PVA. Assemble sub-PVA. Tighten 6 screws. Assemble main PVA. Connect all connectors. Fix and align coaxial cable on the main PVA. Tighten 2 screws. Connect Octa FPCB. Assemble bracket case. Tighten 42 screws. Attach main window tape. Remove protection vinyl. Connect Octa connector on the Octa. Attach Octa tape on the Octa connector. Assemble the Octa. Put device into the pressing pad and place more than a half of the device into the window pressing jig and apply 1 Newton force for 1 minute. Release the handle and take out the device. Place other half of the device into the window pressing jig and apply 1 Newton force for 1 minute. Release handle and take out the device from the window pressing jig. Last, do the final inspection. So this is how you can assemble Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Hope this video was a great help. Thank you for watching.